Welcome to the official video overview for the initial public offer of Hero Motors Limited, an automotive technology company engaged in designing, developing, manufacturing and supplying highly engineered powertrain solutions catering to automotive original equipment manufacturers in United States, Europe, India and the Association of Southeast Asian Nations region. This video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and use by residents of India only. The information in this video is not for publication or distribution, directly or indirectly, in or into the United States. No part of the contents of this video shall be copied or duplicated in any form by any means, or redistributed. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement and acknowledgement to the book running lead managers and Hero Motors Limited that you are the intended recipient of this video and you are located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit this video. Caution: investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the offer on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, micro-blogging platforms, by finfluencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the offer documents, that is RHP and prospectus, as and when filed, and price band advertisement when issued for making investment decision. Investors are advised to read the draft red herring prospectus dated June 30th, 2025. Hero Motors Limited's IPO, comprising of a fresh issue up to such number of equity shares of face value of 10 rupees each, aggregating up to 8,000 million rupees, and an offer for sale of up such number of equity shares of face value of 10 rupees each, aggregating up to 4,000 million rupees. The offer for sale comprises the sale of equity shares held by the promoter selling shareholder and promoter group selling shareholders in the IPO, and proceeds of the offer for sale will not be received by the company. Our company was incorporated on April 30th, 1998, with its registered office at Ludhiana, Punjab, India, and corporate office at Noida, Uttar Pradesh, India. We are a fully integrated powertrain systems provider offering comprehensive solutions including services for designing, prototyping, validating, developing and delivering system-level and component-level powertrain solutions for both electric as well as non-electric powertrains. Our offerings find application in two-wheelers, performance automotive, e-bikes, off-road vehicles, electric and hybrid cars, heavy-duty vehicles and electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) categories. We cater to requirements of our global customers such as BMW AG, BMW, Ducati Motor Holding SPA, Ducati, Enviolo International Inc., Enviolo, Formula Motorsport Limited, Formula Motorsport, Hummingbird EV Inc., Hummingbird EV, HWA AG, HWA, and leading global electric bicycle, e-bike manufacturers and other mobility applications such as aerospace. We are among the few companies that address the requirements of the premium ICE and performance ICE segment that require high-performance transmission systems capable of handling tough torque needs while keeping components lightweight. Source CRISIL report. We are a technology and innovation-driven company and have made significant investments into our in-house design and engineering capabilities, as well as forging technology partnerships with global players to enhance our expertise and product and service offerings. We were among the first companies in India to capitalize on the global e-bike powertrain opportunity and have a distinct first-mover advantage in this industry. We are the only player manufacturing and exporting CVT hubs to global e-bike OEMs from India and are the only manufacturer of integrated electric powertrain products for e-bikes in India. Source CRISIL report. Source: industry and market data used in this AV has been obtained or derived from the report titled Industry Assessment, Powertrain Solutions and Alloys and Metallics Components, dated March 2025, prepared and issued by CRISIL Intelligence, which has been commissioned by and paid for by our company exclusively for the purposes of the offer, pursuant to engagement letter dated December 20th, 2024. As of December 31, 2024, we operated 6 manufacturing facilities spread across India, United Kingdom and Thailand that are strategically located to ensure proximity to customers and cost competitiveness. We operate 2 technology centers located in Southam, United Kingdom and at Gautam Buddha Nagar, Uttar Pradesh in India. Our key customers across various product segments are European premium two-wheeler OEM, Ducati, European motorsport organizer, global two-wheeler OEM, Enviolo, and Hero MotoCorp Limited. We have developed in-house design and engineering capabilities along with manufacturing and validation capabilities by placing adequate research and development, R&D and engineering resources, equipment, assembly lines, transient dynamometer test rigs and end-of-line testing machines. Investors should note the following important risks. 1. We generate a portion of our revenue from operations from jurisdictions outside India, in particular from Europe, which contributed 26.27%, 29.33%, 32.47% and 29.34% of our revenue from operations in the 9 months ended December 31, 2024 and fiscal 2024, 2023 and 2022 respectively. Any adverse events affecting these jurisdictions could have an adverse impact on our revenue from operations. 2. Our business is dependent on the performance of certain industries, particularly e-bikes and two-wheelers, both in the Indian and overseas markets. Any adverse changes in the conditions affecting these industries can adversely impact our business, results of operations, cash flows, and financial condition. 3. We depend on a certain limited set of suppliers for the supply of critical raw materials. Further, we do not have definitive supply agreements with all our suppliers for the supply of raw materials. Interruptions in the supply of raw materials could adversely affect our business, financial condition, results of operations, and cash flows. 4. We are subject to strict performance requirements, including but not limited to quality and delivery by our customers, and any failure by us to comply with these performance requirements may lead to recalls or warranty liability claims, reduction of share of business, or the cancellation of existing or future orders, which could have a material adverse effect on our business, financial condition, results of operations, and cash flows. 5. Our business largely depends upon our top 10 customers. In the 9 months ended December 31st, 2024 and fiscal 2024, 2023 and 2022, our revenue from operations from top 10 customers was 6,010.73 million, 8,191.86 million, 9,369.23 million and 7,859.23 million, representing 74.21%, 76.96%, 88.84% and 85.97% of our revenue from operations, respectively. The loss of any of these customers could have a material adverse effect on our business, financial condition, results of operations, and cash flows. The promoters of our company are Pankaj Munjal, Charu Munjal, Abhishek Munjal, and OP Munjal Holdings, who holds 73.97% of the pre-offer equity share capital of the company on a fully diluted basis. 79.35% of the pre-offer shareholding of the company is held by selling shareholders as on the date of the DRHP, who are selling up to equity shares aggregating to 4,000 million rupee as part of offer for sale. 13.47% of the company is held by public shareholders. Top 5 public shareholders. Our board has 10 directors, comprising of 2 executive directors, 8 non-executive directors, including 5 independent directors, which includes 2 women directors. Company's revenue from operations for the 9 months ended December 31st, 2024, and as of and for the year end March 31st, 2024, 2023, and 2022 was 8,072.65 million, 10,643.86 million, 10,546.24 and 9,141.91 million, respectively. The adjusted EBITDA margin % for the 9 months ended December 31st and as of and for the year end March 31st, 2024, 2023 and 2022 was 10.71%, 11.49%, 10.50% and 11.18%, respectively. Investors are advised to read the DRHP, including pages beginning on 418Bs for further information on financials and related information. There are outstanding litigation proceedings involving the company, directors, promoters, and subsidiaries. Any adverse outcome in such proceedings may have an adverse impact on our reputation, business, financial condition, results of operations, and cash flows. For further details, see Outstanding Litigation and Material Developments on page 532 of the DRHP. Our company proposes to utilize the net proceeds from the fresh issue towards funding the following objects. 1. Repayment, prepayment, in full or in part, of certain outstanding borrowings availed by our company, 2,850 millions. 2. Capital expenditure of our company through purchase of equipment required for expansion in capacity of our Gautam Buddha Nagar, Uttar Pradesh facility, 2,370 million. And 3. Funding inorganic growth through unidentified acquisitions and other strategic initiatives and general corporate purposes. IPO will be conducted through book building with allotment of not more than 50% of the offer to qualified institutional buyers, QIBs, not less than 15% to non-institutional bidders, NIBs, and not less than 35% to retail individual bidders. The equity shares are proposed to be listed on BSE Limited and the National Stock Exchange of India Limited, ICICI Securities Limited, DAM Capital Advisors Limited, and JM Financial Limited are the book-running lead managers to the issue. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and bidders should not invest any funds in the offer unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the draft red herring prospectus dated June 30, 2025, and any corrigendum or addendums thereto before taking an investment decision in the offer. Investors are advised not to rely on any other document or information for making their investment decision. Disclaimer: neither the company nor the promoters and the selling shareholders are seeking an investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase, or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should wait for the red herring prospectus to be filed in relation to the offer for making any investment decision.